Hey everybody, so we have a haul, but you can't hardly see anything because of all these boxes. So let's get to this. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It'll really help out the channel and keep me in the algorithm so I don't get hidden. So we're gonna start out with another package of the cracked up whole powdered eggs. These are made in the USA from Utah. I know you can't see very well because it's stacked up. I got another box. There are 10, I believe it's 10 pouches of the Hungry Jack instant mashed potatoes. Those are my favorite. They taste like potatoes. I got right there, this is 8 pounds, 8 boxes of the Barilla elbow macaronis. And that washer is almost finished. Sorry, I've been trying to get things done today. I got a 12 pack of the Pillsbury pizza crust. And here's the method to my madness. Yes, I know, and I have done it. You can make pizza at home from your flour and stuff. Phil cough. Excuse me. Been a bad asthma day. But the method to my madness on that and buying the pre-made mixes is that I won't blow through my flour, my yeast, my oils, my sugars, and all of that as quickly. That's the same thing with the brown sugar, which has been hard to find in my area. I know I can make my brown sugar, but then I'm blowing through my molasses and my plain sugar. So I'm going to get what I can while I can. I got 2 18-ounce, 1-pound containers of old-fashioned oats. This will go in my granola box for the husband. Now Sam's has these, or had them, 2 8-count boxes, so you get 16 boxes of stovetop stuffing for $20. So they might still have them. I would look for that. You can always doctor up your stovetop to make it mull better with some celery, some onion, some poultry seasoning, that sort of thing. I have almost used up one of these, so I am replacing it, and this is the Idahoan hash browns. And then I'm starting to focus on, hold on, washer sounded unbalanced. I think it is. Starting to focus on freeze-dried foods. Sorry, I had to see if I could get that balanced. Bedding is the worst to do in these new washers. Okay, so back to where I was at. Yeah, I'm trying to focus more on freeze-dried foods just because it's easier to put away. So, I mean, kind of along those lines. I got some more minced onion. I got a garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt seasoning. And another reason for the seasonings is, again, it'll help me not blow through my salt and stuff. I got 3 of these turkey spams. It sounds like the washer's wanting to go full tilt. I got, this thing's heavy, a big container, 7.9 pounds of the Knorr chicken bouillon. So I can just refill my containers. Oh, that thing's kind of heavy. I got this to try. It's 100% Hass avocado, freeze dried, and you can do your own, you know, you can make guacamole. It's called Ready to Guac. So I thought I would give this a go because we do love our avocado around here. And if this is good, it'll save me space in the freezer from freezing avocado. And then I got these to try. My mom got me a new crock pot. I haven't tried this brand, but I thought I'd get them. They're liners for your crock pot. They were pretty cheap. I got Anthony's butter powder. I have some Augustin Farms, I believe. Anthony's is pretty good. I have their other products. I got their brand of heavy cream. I also have Hoosier Hills Farms. So we'll see who lasts longer. You do need to vacuum seal your dairy products if you want them to have a shelf life. If they come like this in these bags, put them in a mason jar or something and vacuum seal them, and they will last. I got some freeze-dried celery, or dehydrated celery. I was hoping that was freeze-dried. Some freeze-dried sweet corn, dehydrated red and green bell peppers. This Orange Delight drink mix is hard to get, so I got some of that. And I got some freeze-dried shredded Colby Jack. And if you've not tried the freeze-dried cheeses, they do work really well in cooking. They melt and are just fine. So I would recommend if you're wanting to make your cheesy recipes. And then another 12-pack of the Star-Kissed tuna pouches. So now I'm going to put all of this away and share down below some of the freeze-dried products you like, and you know what recipes they work best in and things like that, because recommendations are always greatly appreciated. And stay safe, stay healthy. The snow is melting and I'm going to deal with this washing machine. Take care, everybody.